Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make activated charcoal mask similar to that of Good Vibes product. So yeah, without wasting any more further time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel and watching my videos for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to see all my latest videos first. And it's completely free of cost. Now let's check what are the ingredients added to this activated charcoal mask. The main ingredients they have added are aqua, means water, activated charcoal powder, and bentonite clay and kaolin clay. As these are clay substances, you can replace it with multani mitti. So take a clean bowl, and to this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder, 1 spoon of multani mitti, and half spoon of calamine powder. You can just skip this calamine powder if you don't have this. So now I am going to mix all the powdered ingredients very well. So once you have mixed it very well, add some rose water to make it into a thick paste form. Add required amount of rose water and mix it very well. So I'm adding some more rose water to get right consistency. Now our homemade Good Vibes activated charcoal is ready. So with the help of brush, I'm applying it on my hands. Apply a very even layer. So once you have applied this, just leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it is almost dried. At this stage only wash it off with normal water. So you can see it looks same that of a Good Vibes product, and it really works good. Activated charcoal is very good for our skin. It removes all the impurities from our skin. So please try this remedy and share your results. Hope this video may be helpful, and until next video, take care. Bye bye.